Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your OUKITEL C33. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the Fax app. Choose Easy Fax and install it. Now tap on the add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Remember, there you have your free credits banner. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document, like something from the gallery. Click on the import icon. Now you can add this shape to your document. And if you're ready, click the arrow icon. Choose the filter for photo and click on the accept icon. Now type the number in this place, choose the contact from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.